Hello students, today we will discuss about the numbers, significant figures, scientific notation, three-dimensional analysis under the chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. So first of all, numbers and significant figures. During the measurement, there are two terms used to express the value of any physical property, and these are numbers and units. In last video we discussed about the units. Now numbers may be expressed as two values, certain values and uncertain values. While counting the object, numbers are certain, but while measuring the quantity experimentally during the experiment, the values may not be certain. It depends upon the observer as well as the instrument. So example, while having values in weight as 120 gram, here are values 119.9 gram or 120.1. So uncertainty at one place of decimal is shown in this example. Uncertainty in the experiment indicates number of significant figures. Significant figures. These are meaningful digits which are known with certainty plus 1 which is uncertain. It is written by certain digits and the last uncertain digit. For example, here 11.2. Here 11 is certain value and 2 is uncertain. And uncertainty in is plus minus 1 in the last digit. One more example, mass of an object is obtained using a platform balance and comes out to be suppose 9.4 gram. So on measuring the mass of this object on an analytical balance, the mass value obtained is 9.4213 gram. So therefore 4 placed after decimal in the measurement by platform balance is uncertain. Right? So this uncertainty can be represented as 9.4 plus minus 0.1. And uncertainty of plus minus 1 in the last digit is always understood. So we must remember the two terms, certain value and the other is uncertain value, and these combinedly form the significant figures. Now we have to read first the rules how to determine the number of significant figures. These are all the non-zero digits are significant, that is 1 to 9. All the digits are significant, these are meaningful. Example 6.9, it is having two significant figures 6 and 9, so significant figures in this example is 2. And while in 2.16 has three significant figures. Second point, a 0 between two non-zero is significant. For example 2.003. So both of the zeros are significant. And it has four significant figures. 4.02 has three significant figures. Zeros at the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. For example, 0.002 has one significant figure because all the zeros are to the left side of the first non-zero digit. 0 to the left of the decimal place are not significant if there is no decimal place to the left of its side. If number ends with 0 but it is not on the right side of the decimal place, zeros are significant. 16.0 has three significant figures. Rules for determining numbers. Next, the decimal points does not count towards the number of significant figures. It is not included in the significant figures. Counting the numbers of object, for example 2 balls or 20 eggs, having infinite significant figures, as these can have exact numbers, so can be represented by writing infinite number of 0 after placing a decimal place. So in that case all the 0 to the right of the decimal place will be significant. In a complete number having terminal 0, 0 may or may not be significant if there is no decimal place or decimal point. For example, in the measurement, the result is written as 100. So it has only one significant figure. But if it is written as 100 point, and due to this point all the zeros to the right are significant. Such numbers are better expressed in scientific notations. As per representation, 100 may also be written as 100, 100.0, 100.00 and 1 into 10 to the power 2. So in all cases, the significant figures will be 1, 4, 5 and 1 respectively. Scientific notation. These values can be expressed in scientific notation. So scientific notation is exponential term in which any number can be expressed in the form of significant figures as n multiplied 10 to the power minus 10 to the power n, where n is an exponent and the n is number with one digit to the left of the decimal. The number 100 can be expressed as 1 into 10 to the power 2 for one significant figure. It may be written as 1.0 10 to the power 2. It has two significant figure. 1.00 10 to the power 3. It is having three significant figures. So we see that all these are having the answer 100, but these are represented in different ways. So different significant figures can be explained for the same number when it is not. It is the exact number. In exponential notation, the numerical portion represents the number of significant figures. For example, 0.00045 is expressed as 4.5 10 to the power minus 4, and here the significant figure is 2. And in Avogadro number, the significant figures are 4. So 10 to the power n's are not included in the significant figures. Scientific notation. While expressing the result in terms of exponential notation, where n is the exponent having positive or negative value, or and capital N is which varies from 1.00 to 9.999. For example, 2.32 can be represented as 2.32 10 to the power 2. So only 1 point should be in the left side of the decimal. In multiplication, division, these are multiplied and exponents are added or subtracted. For example, the numerical is given in the sample 5.6 into 6.9 and their exponents are added. So total becomes 13 and answer is represented as 3.864. In addition subtraction, the numbers are written in such a way that all the numbers have same exponent, means 10 to the power 4 in one case and 10 to the power 3 in second case. So both must be converted into 10 to the power 4 or in 10 to the power 3, and then we have to add the terms. So we have to say have same exponent in the addition and subtraction. Precision. Sometimes we see that the result is variable, and here it is very important to know about the precision and the accuracy of the result. What do you mean by precision? Suppose one student is doing some experiment and he is having different values at different time. So precision refers to the closeness of the various measurements. These are very close to each other, then it is precise. And accuracy, if the agreement of a particular value to the true value of the result, means whatever he is observing, he is measuring, is closer to the true value of the result. For example, in the given example, true value is 2.00 and two students are A, B, and students are A and B and C. So student A has two values which are very close to each other. So this result is precise but not accurate. Student B, both values are not close to each other, but the average result, actual result is close to real value. And student C, neither it is having precise value nor accurate because the measurements are very different from each other and the true value is same. So both are precise and these are very close to each other as well as close to real value. Retention of significant figures and rounding of figures. So sometimes we are having very big values in the calculations and we have to calculate it very clearly. So we have to remember the rule number 1. If the first rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, the last number to be retained is increased by 1. For example, 4.317, and we have to change the result into only 3 significant figures. So 7 is removed, and because it is more than 5, so it is increased by, last number 1 is increased by 1. If the first rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5, so last number to be retained is not changed. For example, 4.312 is rounded off to 4.31 to have the significant figure in answer. If the first rightmost digit to be removed is 5, then the last digit to be removed, last number to be removed, is not changed if even number, but if increased by 1, if it is odd number. So 8.3875 is rounded off to 8.38, while 8.365 rounded off to 8.36, rounded off to 8.36. Now result expression in significant figures. During addition and subtraction, when we do any addition or subtraction, the result must have the same number of decimal places as in the number with least decimal places. In this example, 18.1 is having least decimal places. So answer will be up to 1 decimal place, that is 31.1. Multiplications and division. And during this calculation, we have to get answer in significant figures. So in that case, we must know that the result must be reported with same number of significant figures as in a number with least significant figures. So in this example, 2.5 into 1.25, answer is 3.125, but the result should be only 2 significant figures, because the one significant figure in 2.5s are 2. So answer will be 3.1. And other values which are above 1, other values 2 and 5 are removed. These are left in the result. Dimensional analysis. This is the method to convert the values in one unit into the other unit, and for it we have 2 steps. One is finding unit factor, and second is unit factor is multiplied by the system to be converted into other. So what is unit factor? Unit factor means 1. We have to convert the given relation in 1. For example, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So in this step, 1 is equal to, unit factor is equal to 1 inch divided by 2.54 equal to 1. So we have to take the units also. Now step 2, the 3, because we have to find out the value of 3 inch into centimeters. So in second step, this 3 inch is multiplied by the unit factor, that is 2.54 divided by 1 inch, and so answer will be 7.62. That is the method for dimensional analysis to convert one unit into the other. There are some unit conversions, so we must remember all these points before conversion. Again, one more example for the dimensional analysis. A jug contains 2 liters of milk, and we have to convert into meter cube. So first of all, we must have the relation between the liter and the meter cube. And because 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, so unit factor will be taken as 1 liter is equal to 1 liter divided by 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, or 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube divided by 1 liter. So we can use as per our requirement. Now, because we have to convert 2 liter into, so we will take liter in denominator, because we have to convert this value. So we multiply 2 liter with the unit factor, and these liters are cancelled by each other, and answer is in meter cube. Other example is also same. So we have to find out different unit factors. 1 hour of 160 minute, and that is 1 hour divided by 60 minute, y equal to 1, and in other way it can be explained. And now in 2 days we will multiply all the unit factors to get the time in second. So these are conversions of 1 minute into second, seconds into minute into hour, days into hours. In this way we can